Welcome back to RV Road Report, your trusted pit stop for rugged rides, van life inspiration, and rolling homes that redefine freedom. If you live for the open road and dream of adventure with no limits, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something bold, beautiful, and built with passion. The DIY Camper Van Motorhome in a vibrant blue finish. This custom-built 4x4 van is ready to conquer trails and turn heads, featuring a rugged long body and serious off-road attitude. Buckle up, because what you're about to see is the essence of freedom, innovation, and creativity on wheels. Let's roll. 2. Exterior front view. Let's kick things off with a commanding front view of this DIY marvel. Standing proudly in the DIY Motorhome showroom, this vibrant blue beast glows under natural light. The front grille sports a custom DIY logo, giving it that personal, handcrafted touch. The aggressive stance, sculpted lines, and massive headlights give it both a bold presence and practical lighting for night drives. This isn't just a van, it's a rolling declaration that style, power, and functionality can all be homemade. And with that vibrant finish, you'll never blend in again. 3. Topside view. Now take a look from above, and this topside view is packed with practical power. Mounted solar panels sit flush with the roof, soaking up the sun and powering everything from your interior lights to your mobile devices. There's also a compact roof-mounted AC unit, keeping you cool no matter where you park, plus an antenna for signal boost, perfect for off-grid camping or remote work. This DIY build proves that being off the grid doesn't mean being off the map. It's your personal power station on the move. 4. Backside view. Coming around the back, it's all about preparedness and adventure. A rugged spare tire is firmly mounted on the rear, because when you're going places, you never know what's ahead. Just below, a smartly positioned cycle carrier gives you the option to bring a mountain bike or e-scooter for those quick trips into town or off-road exploration. Double rear doors provide secure access to your gear and interior. And again, that vibrant blue finish keeps the look clean, bold, and built to impress. 5. Side view. From the side, this DIY camper shows off its lifestyle-ready setup. A fully retractable awning stretches out to create the perfect shaded outdoor lounge area. Imagine setting up a couple of chairs, firing up a portable grill, and enjoying your morning coffee or evening sunset, all from the comfort of your mobile base camp. The wide sliding door opens up for seamless indoor-outdoor flow, turning any stop into a relaxing retreat. This side setup brings your van life dreams to life, one campsite at a time. 6. Driving compartment. Hop inside the driver's seat, and you'll see just how well crafted this build is. The driving compartment is both smart and stylish, featuring 2 large LED displays, one for navigation and entertainment, the other offering a live rear camera feed for easy reversing and parking. Comfortable bucket seats, a leather trim wheel, and intuitive dash controls give you a premium feel, while large windows offer epic views of the road ahead. This is Command Central, your cockpit for exploration, connection, and smooth rides. 7. Sitting and sleeping area. Right behind the cockpit is the heart of your chill zone. The sitting and sleeping area is a masterclass in multifunctionality. During the day, you got a comfy sofa and a center table, perfect for meals, working on a laptop, or just relaxing with a book. By night, this area converts into a full-size bed, complete with soft bedding and ambient lighting. Hidden storage spaces around the cabin ensure all your essentials stay organized. Whether you're resting, reading, or recharging, this space has you covered. 8. Kitchen. Compact, clean, and creative. That's the best way to describe this DIY kitchen setup. Just a step from your sleeping area, you'll find a 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink with running water, and a mini fridge tucked underneath for cold storage. There's overhead cabinetry for plates, mugs, and dry goods, plus a small countertop for food prep. It's amazing what you can do with limited space. And this kitchen proves that delicious meals are always on the menu, wherever your wheels take you. 9. Washroom. Yes, even a DIY van can include a thoughtfully designed washroom. This compact space features a water-efficient toilet, a foldable sink, and a handheld showerhead, all tucked into one smart corner of the van. Wall-mounted towel hooks, a waterproof lining, and a ceiling vent ensure it stays dry and odor-free. Whether you're out in the forest or parked by the beach, You'll appreciate having this convenience on board. It's compact but mighty and shows just how clever DIY van lifers can be. 10. Ending note. And that wraps up our full walkthrough of the DIY Camper Van Motorhome, your vibrant blue companion for off-grid living and limitless road adventures. With a rugged long body, 4x4 wheels, solar power, and all the comforts of home inside, this handcrafted machine is everything you need and more. And the best part? It's priced at just $62,000. A total win for DIY lovers who want luxury, independence, and performance without breaking the bank. Got thoughts? We want to hear them. And of course, you know the drill. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you next time on RV Road Report.